Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. There are a ton of marking knives out there on the market, whether they are mass-produced things by big tool companies or small independent makers that make their own. I have a couple of those as well. There are a lot of options in different shapes and sizes and styles, and it is completely unnecessary for me to add another one. But is it necessary to drink my own urine? Nope. But I do it anyway, because it's sterile, and I like the taste. So, today we're going to make a limited edition batch of Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff marking knives. Come along, stick around to the end, and see how you can get your hands on one of these if you're quick, because there aren't going to be many. And as always, if you like what I do here, make sure you click the like button, and you make sure you're subscribed, so you can catch all the rest of the stuff that I get up to out here in the shop. Marking Knife Day, limited edition Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff Marking Knife Day. That's a mouthful. Come on! Alright, so I've got these knife blanks, I guess. They're actually marketed as a 2-inch paring knife, but I think they're going to work fantastic as a marking knife, assuming that I can get a little divot cut into the top and maybe another one in the bottom for your fingies to rest nice into. We'll see how that goes. I think I can make that happen. I've got my brass pin stock, and I've got this beautiful blank of, what is it? It's a box elder burl that's been dyed and stabilized courtesy of my friend Paul Waldrop of Waldrop Guitars. And that is going to be fantastic if I can make this all work. So let's start by seeing if I can make little fingy divots in these guys. Okay, so quick little PSA, safety announcement. I was holding the knives on the belt sander, and it caught and took it, and the blade caught my thumb. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. I'm gonna reevaluate some things, maybe some of my life choices, and get back to it. We'll figure out a new approach to something here, because this is unpleasant. That's all. Well, there they are. The 2023 edition of the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff limited edition marking knives. Super happy with how they came out. I got 8 of the double-dyed stabilized box elder burl out of that blank. And so I have made a couple in Cocobolo as well, which are pretty snazzy. They will be going up for sale to anyone who is a Patreon subscriber on November 1st, 2023. They will get the first crack at purchasing these guys. And then 2 weeks after that, on November 15th, whatever's left will be going up for sale to the general public. They are $50 Canadian each plus shipping, which I think is a reasonable price for a quality handmade boutique artisan marking knife. And if I manage to sell them all, I'll make a 2024 limited edition Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff marking knife next year. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. See you next time.